Hello and welcome everyone to our channel. Today we will see how to use and download books from a new online library known as libgen. Libgen is a file sharing based shadow-like library. So let's start browsing it. First, to go to this library, we go to our web browser and type libgen.in in the search bar, all in small letters. On the library page, we can see the different options as forum, download, upload, topics, etc. Desktop app of this library can also be downloaded. Under the topics option, we can see the different subjects of which the books are available on this website as technology, art, business, chemistry, etc. We can choose the subtopic and directly go to the book list page from here. As we can see the search bar, we can easily search our desired book from here by applying different filters here. Example, let us search for Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Select the radio button fiction in search and option and select radio button title in search and fields and click search button. We can see that the result list contains books in different formats as PDF, ePub, zip and different languages. You select the required book format. After clicking, we can see all the details of the book as title, author, series, publisher, language, ISBN number, etc. Now, to download, we again click on the first button. Download will automatically start in your phone or computer in your desired format. Similarly, you can easily download other books. Hope you liked the video and found it useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you soon!